You've tried affirmations, vision boards, and even meditation, but something still feels missing. What if the key to manifestation wasn't about doing more, but about becoming who you already are? Neville Goddard's living in the end technique isn't just another method, it's a powerful shift that can instantly transform your reality. Ready to unlock this hidden gem? Let's dive into how you can start living in the end today. The power of living in the end. Most manifestation practices focus on hoping and striving, but Neville understood that the real power lies in being. He taught that instead of trying to attract something into your life, you shift into the state where your desires have already been fulfilled. Living in the end means stepping into a reality where your dreams are no longer something to pursue, they are something you've already achieved. This isn't about wishful thinking, it's a complete shift in how you interact with your reality. Your subconscious responds to certainty, not doubt. By living as if your desires are already yours, you begin to align with the life you've always envisioned. Why living in the end works so quickly? What sets this technique apart is its simplicity and effectiveness. Most manifestation methods keep you in a loop of trying harder, yet results feel distant. But living in the end shifts you from effort to ease. You're no longer pushing for outcomes, you're stepping into the version of yourself that already has them. When you truly believe and feel as if your desires are already a reality, your subconscious begins to bring those desires into your physical experience. Miracles happen when you become the person who has it all. Many who practice living in the end experience rapid transformations. Whether it's landing a dream job, healing relationships, or discovering financial freedom, the results speak for themselves. By stepping into this state, they've unlocked doors they never imagined possible. It may sound simple, but the results are profound. Here's how you can apply this technique. 1. Decide what you want, be specific. What outcome are you truly seeking? Whether it's financial freedom, a dream relationship, or personal growth, focus on what you want, not the struggles or doubts around it. 2. Visualize the end result, close your eyes and create a vivid mental picture of your desired reality. Picture every detail, the sights, sounds, and emotions. Fully immerse yourself in the scene, making it as real as possible. 3. Feel the reality, the emotional experience is where the magic happens. What does it feel like to already have what you desire? Dive deep into those feelings, joy, gratitude, peace, and hold on to them. The stronger your emotional connection, the faster things begin to shift. 4. Trust the process, let go of control. You don't need to figure out how things will manifest. Once you've embodied the end result, the universe will handle the rest. Opportunities, people, and circumstances will flow into your life naturally. Conclusion: Neville Goddard's living in the end isn't just a technique, it's a way of life. By shifting into the reality where your desires are already fulfilled, you align yourself with the life you've always wanted. The power is within you, no more waiting, no more doubting. Your dream life is here. It's time to claim it.